Lo mhlangano uza nje ikhomishana ezimele yezokhetho isemkhankasweni onxusa zonke izinhlangano zomphakathi ukuba zigqugquzele abantu ukuthi bayovota okhethweni lohulumeni bezindawo ngoLwezi. Uhlalo we-IEC uMsuthu Mweba uthi likhulu iqhaza elibanjwa abaholi bendabuko ekutheni abantu baphume bayovota.
Very importantly is to enlist the leadership of Contralesa and all other traditional leaders in the work that we do to assist us to ensure that in their communities information about elections is shared.
uMweba uphinde wathi lenkundla iphinde yanika ithuba nabo abaholi bomdabu ukuthi bazwakalise ilaka labo lapho benganelisekile khona.
It's also important to have this consultation session with them, for them to raise concerns that they need us to attend to, for us to listen to their concerns and challenges they face.
Umengameli weContralesa inkosi uMthuphi Mkwena uthi bayitshelile ikhomishana yezokhetho ukuthi bakhathazekile ngokwanda kwembhikisho ekhononda ngokungalethwa kwezidingo ebantwini, kodwa akumele kube nezindawo ezingo-albhadwa ngesikhathi sokhetho.
There must be no place where it will be declared as a no-go area for a particular organization. We want to allow organizations to come to our areas and spread the gospel, convey their messages. It will be up to our people to choose who they want to vote for.
Lo mhlangano uphethe ngokuthi kuvunyelwana ukuthi amakhosi nezinduna agqugquzele izakhamuzi kuleli ukuthi ziphume ngothulwazo mhla zizine kuLwezi ukuyovota.